Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google Doc. So firstly, go to your browser. In the search bar, type docs.google.com. You can also click docsgoogle.com/create. After coming this interface, you have to click on blank. The new Google Doc has been opened. In this Google document, you can add text, change font size, add picture. Let me show you. First of all, I am typing like it can be changed as too many fonts, then title. It will automatically save in Google Drive. You can also share with many people you want. In your recent doc, it will be showing. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.